In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Coinbase application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in coinbase.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Coinbase. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to buy various cryptos and assets. So if you want to buy the Bitcoin, first of all, what you have to do is click on this option, cryptocurrencies. Now you'll be able to explore the crypto over here. You can see over here you'll be able to search for an asset. Simply click on the search bar and type in Bitcoin, or you can also type in BTC if you want. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, Bitcoin. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You'll be able to find more information about Bitcoin over here. You'll also be able to find the chart for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, etc. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to access the trading insights, market stats, performance, price history, network and addresses, market details, etc. So if you decide to buy it, what you have to do is click on this option, buy Bitcoin, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, if you're not logged into your account, you'll be prompted to log into my account. Due to document requirements, my account creation process has not been completed, so I'll not be able to proceed. But in another interface, what you have to do is simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to buy. Enter the amount, select the payment method. After you select the payment method, make sure to review and confirm the transaction details. Now after you do that, you'll have to confirm the purchase in order to complete the transaction. After the transaction has been completed, the Bitcoin will be deposited on your account. So like this, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.